Hi kids, this is a car. See its red color and round wheels? Cars can take you on fun trips. What color is your car? This is a bus. It's a yellow school bus. I love the bus. It's so cool. This is a train. It's moving so fast. Bye, train.
This is a bicycle. Emma is riding her bicycle. Bicycles are fun to ride. Can you say bicycle?
Hi, this is a motorcycle. It's fast and cool.
A motorcycle is a two-wheeled vehicle with an engine.
This is a truck. Trucks are big and strong. They can carry lots of things. Isn't that cool? Hi, this is a taxi. See the taxi sign? It means it's for hire. Taxis take you places you can wave to get one. Pretty cool, right? This is a helicopter. Look, this is a helicopter. It has spinning rotors. Isn't it cool?
This is a boat. A boat floats on water. Daniel is happy with his boat. What color is the boat?
Hi, this is a ship. It's very big and strong. It sails on the ocean. I love ships. Hi, this is a scooter. It's really fun to ride. You stand on it and push with your foot. Whee! This is so much fun. Hi kids, this is a van. A van is bigger than a car. It can carry lots of things. See? This is a van. This is a police car. It has flashing lights and a star. Police cars keep us safe. Hi, this is a fire truck. Fire trucks are big and red. They help in emergencies. See the helmets and ladders? Thanks for learning with me. Hi, this is an ambulance. An ambulance helps people. See the red cross? It means help. Thanks for learning with me. Hi, this is a subway. Subways are a great way to travel around the city. They run on tracks just like this one. Thanks for learning with me.
This is a tram. Trams run on tracks in the city. They help people get around. Wave hello to the tram.
Hi, this is a bulldozer. It's a big, strong machine. It pushes dirt and rocks with its big blade. Bulldozers are so cool. Hi, this is a crane. It's used in construction to lift heavy things. See? The word crane is right here. Cool, right? Hi everyone, this is a tractor. A tractor is a strong farm vehicle. It helps farmers in the fields. Isn't it cool? Hi, this is a race car. It's super fast and colorful. Race cars are the best. Yay! Let's learn more. This is a jet. A jet is a fast airplane. It flies high in the sky. Isn't it cool? Hi, this is a yacht.
It's a big, fancy boat for fun.
Yachts can have pools and parties. So cool.
Hi, this is a pickup truck. It's great for carrying things. See, it says pickup truck right here. Bye, thanks for watching.
Hi, this is a school bus. It takes kids to school. See the stop sign? It's for safety. I love the school bus. Hi, this is a rocket. See the red nose cone and the big orange flames? Rockets are so cool. Hi, this is a limousine. It's a very long and fancy car. Limousines are used for special events. Isn't it cool? This is a skateboard. I'm riding it happily. Whee! It's so fun! Skateboards are great!
This is a cable car.
Hi, I'm Emma. This cable car is so cool.
A cable car is a vehicle that moves on a cable, often used in mountains.
Let's ride one. This is a hot air balloon. The balloon is filled with hot air, which makes it float. It's a fun way to travel. Hi, this is a snowmobile. It drives on snow. It's fun to ride. This is a tank. See its big cannon? And its tracks help it move. Tanks are very strong. Hi, this is a forklift. I'm driving it in a warehouse. Watch the forks go up and down. It's so much fun. Hi, this is an excavator. It has a big arm and a bucket. It helps build things, isn't it cool?